my name's Nick Dodds and I'm course leader for MA Creative Practice, and we're here at the final end of year show in September for MA Creative Practice.
Hi, my name is Finn H. Drood and I'm studying MA Creative Practice at the University of Cumbria. The project I've been working on is called Arbitrium, and it's an interactive visual piece. So along the way, the viewer has the option of deciding to go down certain branches. I'm really interested by the idea of free will, determinism, sort of illusion of choice, and a kind of way how much are we actually in control over what we think is sort of free choices that we make.
I'm Emma and I'm studying the MA Creative Practice here at University of Cumbria. The title of the work is The Lost Temperate Rainforest. So it was my inquiry into people's disconnection from nature, which is obviously a really hot topic at the moment.
My name is Callum Eccleston. I'm coming to the end of my second year and final year of the MA Contemporary Fine Art course at the University of Cumbria. My work is based around Albert Camus' essay on the myth of Sisyphus, the Greek titan who was condemned to roll a boulder to the top of a mountain, only for it to inevitably fall to the bottom again. Camus, in his writing, would compare this to man's everyday experience.
My name is Kailas Srikumar. So I'm doing MA Contemporary Fine Art at the University of Cumbria. I'm an international student, actually from India. All my work is directly or indirectly related to migration. So I'm not trying to find a solution for the current migration crisis, but understanding and deconstructing what are the circumstances which led to this current situation.
My name is Alexandra Chambers. I'm doing the MA at the University of Cumbria for Contemporary Fine Art. My work's called Unrivaled Views. It's looking at the media and how the media presents the Lake District, using images that are not presented in the media, putting them two juxtapositions together and seeing how they create, having the audience view the Lake District in another way of how it's not traditionally represented. My art's really grown up, from when I started to now. The help is just out of this world. They go above and beyond to help you really. They're great, absolute, one of a kind.